Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the expansion card pack in Plants vs. Brainrots. So it's a new card pack here. You can purchase it from this season pass. If you go to shops, there is the expansion card pack here. It is a mythical item. You can also get it from like completing tasks. I got it from getting this Brainrot, and I got the shiny expansion card pack. I'm just going to open one, and here I'll show you the cards that we can get. Let's see, sharpened blades. Ooh, increase the damage of short range plants. Resourceful. Double trouble, plants with 2 mutations have their damage increased by 10%. Okay, and those are the cards that I got. There's a bunch more here, but I'm not going to name them all. There's just a lot. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.